So if you're ever over at the Magic Kingdom and you find yourself in Liberty Square, there is one show you gotta see. Well, yeah, this one too, but that's not the one I'm talking about. No, the one I'm talking about is the one with the Muppets, in Liberty Square. It's called Great Moments in History, and it features all of the Muppet characters you know and love. Our only problem at this point is, like every afternoon in the summertime, well, it rains at Walt Disney World. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's almost like clockwork. So we just need to sit here for a few minutes and hang out with our rodent friends. And then we'll be ready to go on another fun-filled Muppet adventure.
It's the Muppets with another great moment in American history! Come closer, all ye people, gather round and listen well. My friends and I have some of history's greatest tales to tell. Your hair will stand on end with all the history and such.
Unless, of course, you're bald like me, in which case, not so much.
Oh, hi there, Sam. It's Sam Eagle, everybody. Hey, tell us, Sam, what great American story are we sharing today?
Today we shall salute the Midnight Ride of Paul Revere.
Ah, a great story indeed. The ride of Paul Revere, a fateful night that saved the day. He warned the founding fathers.
The British were on their way.
In their redcoats, with their muskets, they were mean and scary too.
We won't speak about all that. This is wholesome through and through.
Right, let's bring out some friends to help us. Hey guys, that's your cue.
Great moments in history.
La 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 la.
Great moments in history.
This one features more. And here's what you will take away in all your minds and hearts.
Great moments in history, but only the American. Great moments in history, but just the American moments. Greetings, my fellow Americans and others. As official historian of Liberty Square, I am honored to present to you a dramatic recitation of The Midnight Ride of Paul Revere by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, with additional dialogue by Sam Eagle. Cue the patriotic music. Let us begin. Listen, my children. What is going on here? You said chicken. I said children, not chickens.
Oh,
I bet. Shoo, shoo.
we're going. Come on, girls.
Let us begin again. Listen, my children. And you shall hear of the midnight ride of Paul Revere.
Hi-ho, Paul Revere here.
It is what? Paul Revere.
What?
Oh, good heavens.
Peggy, it's Paul Revere, not Paula.
But it's a starring role, so surely it must be meant for love.
Paul Revere was a man.
Correction, he was not just a man. He was a son of liberty, along with John Adams, Sam Adams, and John Hancock.
Well, then what part is written for us? I'm sorry, Peggy, but there's no part for you.
Oh, we'll see about that.
Once it gets flipped off.
Sorry about that, Sam. Please continue.
Right, where was I at? Ah, yes. He said to his friend, if the British march,
Hang a lantern in the North Church Arch. With a watchful eye, look out for them.
to which his friend replied, no problem.
I'll hang one at by land,
And 2 if by sea,
great,
and 3 if by monorail, and 4 if by pogo stick, and 5 if by unicycle, 6 if by registered mail.
Fozzie, are you okay?
Yeah, the lanterns lightened my fall. Get it? Lanterns? Lightened? Just hang the lanterns from the church. 1 if by land, and 2 if by sea. That's good, because we only have 2 left.
Ah, 2 lanterns. They're coming by sea.
Ah, yes. Now Paul Revere upon his horse did ride. Oh, where is the horse?
Here you go, Kermit.
Done so, you were supposed to get a real horse, not a stick horse.
The real horse got sick.
Oh, is he a little horse? Does he need some cot stirrup? Do I know funny? I have had enough of this kind of nonsense.
What kind of nonsense would you prefer?
Would you get out of here? Now where were we?
Oh, I am on a horse.
Yes, sir. Paul Revere, upon his stick horse, did ride, and by the light of the silvery moon he cried, what is that music? Wait. By the light.
Not the dark, but the light.
Of the silvery
Not the sun, but the moon.
I want you.
Not the fourth, but
Not the
Piggy, what are you doing?
I made some changes in the play. Now I have a musical number.
Well, you can't just write yourself into the play. That's not how it works.
Oh, okay. Then let's see how this works.
What?
Well, I'd say that song was a hit.
Good thing the lantern lightened his fall.
Goodbye. Get out of here.
I'm going.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sam, what's next?
Right, by the light of the silvery moon, he cried.
The red ghosts are coming. The red ghosts are coming. They're coming.
Gonzo, I said no chickens.
I promised they could be in the show.
Maggie, you are ruining this play. I am making it better. Get them out of here, Gonzo.
Enough already. You can't be a red goat.
Fine. Then I'm the woman in the moon. Don't you dare say no. Singing again. Oh, come on, would you help me? Gonzo, the feathers all over me. I
Can't help you. I'm trying to breathe your Michael is big.
I'm supposed to have feathers. Quiet, everyone.
I like that.
You're ruining this great moment in history. Herman, if this chaos continues, the show is history.
I think you're right, Bobby.
How are we going to end it?
Like this.
Hooray! Great moments in history, the ride of Paul Revere. Great moments in history, you saw it all right here.
And here's what you will take away in all your minds and hearts.
Great moments in history, great moments in history, great moments in history. But only the American great moments in history, with just the American parts.
Bye, everyone. I hope to see you again soon. Oh, and to England, no hard feelings. You're still one of our best friends. So long, everybody.
Emmy's sitting, waiting patiently for your likes and comments. Just leave them below. I really do hope you liked the video and that you'll give it a big thumbs up, because apparently that is something that's important to YouTube and I don't know why. I try to put out a new video each and every Friday, and if you like these videos, why don't you go ahead and subscribe. And remember, when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.